everyone, we're back with another list of favorite restaurants for you. This time, we're showing some love to our furry friends with our 3 favorite dog-friendly restaurants in Tampa Bay. As the name suggests, the Getaway is a restaurant and bar inspired by your dream vacation. The feel of the space is tropical but modern and not touristy. This hotspot has dog-friendly Tuesdays where pet lovers can meet other dog owners. Their menu is known for their beachy drinks. We recommend ordering a Getaway bucket size of the must-have painkiller. This tropical drink features Jamaican rum, coconut cream, and pineapple juice. With the addition of another dog park right across the street, Poorhouse is the perfect place for all of you pet lovers. Specializing in draft beer, their pour list is super long, so there's something for everyone. If you're not much of a beer drinker, we recommend the Hard Tropical Punch. It's a Kool-Aid inspired cider that will definitely bring you back to your childhood. Visit before 7 p.m. to take advantage of their happy hour deals with your pup. Sparkman Wharf is one of our favorite dog-friendly restaurants in Tampa. With a large green AstroTurf lawn, there's plenty of space for your pup to play. We also love Sparkman because of the many food options. You can enjoy the best chicken sandwich you've ever had from Flock and Stock. Check out their event schedule for special dog events as well. A repeating event is the Dogs of Instagram Yappy Hour, where your pup can meet Instagram famous pups from around Tampa. And that's all we have for now. If you want to see a full list of our favorite dog-friendly restaurants, click the link in the description. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.